Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up parental control on your Motorola Edge 30 Pro device. First, you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device. To do this, open Settings, then scroll down and choose Passwords and Accounts. Choose account to log out and choose remove account, OK, confirm your fingerprint or pattern lock. Cool. And now you need to add on child's device a Google account for child. But remember, if the child knows the password from his own account, he'll be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link, and therefore, as you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know, but only you will know. So choose Add Account, choose Google, and log in into child's account. Enter child's password. Then choose Next. Tap I agree. Accept. Fine. Now go back into Settings menu, then choose Google. Scroll down and choose Parental Controls. Choose Get Started, Child or Teenager, Next. Wait a while. Select child's account to supervise. And enter your email. Login into your parent's account. Enter a password. Choose Next. Scroll down, and enter child's password again. Choose Agree. Allow supervision. Wait a while. Something went wrong. Choose Retry and choose Next. Fine. Now scroll down and choose Next. Scroll down and choose Next again. Choose Skip, and go back to home screen. After setting up parental control on the child's phone, you need to configure it on your own device. To do this, go to the Play Market on your device and find here Family Link application. Install it. Open this application. Go down and choose Get Started. Cool. Now you'll see the child's account you just added. In my case it's HDUBT. And cool. Here we see that we can fully control the child's phone, block his phone if he uses it for a very long time, and you can also block a separate application. To do this, scroll down, choose View All Apps, and for example I want to block Turbo VPN. Find here Turbo VPN application. Okay, tap on this icon and choose block. And as you can see, Turbo VPN was successfully blocked. And well, that's it. We have successfully set up parental control on the child's Motorola Edge 30 Pro. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video, write comments and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye.